How to use the Fractal Chaos Bands trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Fractal Chaos Bands strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator, created by the technical analyst Bill Williams. The indicator helps identify trend directions and potential market reversals using fractal theory. Fractal Chaos Bands consist of 2 lines that frame the price chart, indicating how chaotic or orderly the market movement is. If the market moves within these lines, it is trending. If the price breaks through one of the lines, it may signal the beginning of a new trend. How to set up the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 2 for increased sensitivity to market changes. Open an up trade when the price breaks above the upper chaos line and starts moving upward. Open a down trade when the price breaks below the lower chaos line and starts moving downward. To improve signal accuracy, use Fractal Chaos Bands in combination with other indicators like MACD or RSI. You can learn how the MACD and RSI indicators work in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.